Hey guys, so we're at the Humane Society. It's just hopping! Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop. There's 2 to 3 here.
Hi Bunny.
There's 1 there,
Oh, only
2,
Bunny
and then right up there. It's like 3, yeah. This is one of like those wooden cages kind of things. Some logs. Oh, they're just hopping everywhere.
But every jagya in lokan
Just jittery.
every jagya જોઈએ લોકોને રાખવા માટે.
Yeah. They're pretty okay spaces.
આપણે તો રૂમ
Enough to walk around, enough to hop around. It's pretty good, pretty good. That is one fat bunny. It's so fudgy, walking. Look at that fat flubber, flub, 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 flub. This cat is so bored, but it's so adorable. Come here. Come get my hand. Come get my hand, keys. Come on. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Damn, it'd be so fun to work here. Just play with the cats, keep them company, but also be able to take care of them as well. It's like, this cat just wants to pet us so badly.
Meow. Meow.
Aww.
Oh, look at that cat!
It's grooming itself. Okay.
It's just Bella.
Okay.
No, Bella got the. No. Yeah, she's there.
Oh my god, it's going crazy.
He wants to run away. Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Slow down, maybe walk slower,
Okay,
slower.
yeah. Logical.